Vice President Mrs. Emily Heronimo Paca, Mr. Omar Cabal, and Dr. Macapi.
Girly. Girly ah. Girly.
Ay! Video pala. Oh girl, yung ano? Bibig. Pinibigil ko. May
Lahat po ng ninang pwede po mag-assemble dito sa
We're waiting for the bride.
and have been asked by our lovely bride, the former Miss Taborlupa and now Mrs. Idio and her husband and son, to be your MC tonight, and they would like to extend their thanks for attending their nuptial celebrations tonight. So, as we start, rest of our sponsor. So, we're getting food now.
Hindi, ganyan kasi.
Hala, at least, meron ka na.
Ako, sandali. Dahan-dahan ka.
Ito ang pila para sa food. Pila kami. Kasi po yan po kami nag-disco ngayon. Woo!
Tapos na tayo ng picture dyan. There you go. Pauwi na kami dito sa Bitbilog. Pauwi na kami. May ano.
Isa ka nga bro?